Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a CATIA software and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, this is a new project is designer and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And this is a multi-section view is, and also this is a single view, and isometric view is also available here, and all boundary is created here easily. Okay, all is boundary is created here, and this is a front view, and this is a back, this is a side view, and this is a back side is also looking perfect, and all is looking correct. Okay, okay, this is a perfect looking here, and all is looking perfect. And this product is a simple drawing here, and how to easily drawing this. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. Okay, this body is designed here easily and clearly. Let's start here. Okay, and at first click a mechanical design and use a generative sheet metal design and click OK. And at first select a YZ plane and click a, this is a positional sketch is select here and OK. And at first drawing a center rectangle is created here. Okay, this is a perfect and mention any dimension. This dimension is, and also this dimension, this is a length is a 240 is correct, and this is a width is a 2 160 is correct and perfect. But okay, this is a 180 is better. Okay, this is a correct. 170 is better. Okay, and this all corner is looking here. Okay, this is a perfect and use a, this corner is a 38 millimeter is correct. Okay, all is perfect looking here, and use a this exit, and at exit, and at first click this set metal parameters because all command is not activated, and at first click this set metal parameters, then other command is also activated. You can see here looking perfect and this value is changeable, and this set metal parameters is dialog box is pop up, and this thickness is 2 millimeter, and this default bend radius is 4 millimeter, but this value is change easily. You can see here this is a 1 millimeter, and this default bend radius is 2 millimeter is correct. Okay, and this wall is click here, and this line is, and use a invert material side and click OK. This is a perfect. Okay, this is a perfect and use a this use a shading with edge without a smooth edge, click here. Okay, this is a perfect and this face is click here and use a position sketch, and okay, this is a perfect okay, and use this offset command is look, click here anywhere, click, and this value is change here. This is a minus 15 is correct. Okay, this is looking perfect and click exit, and use a this surface stamp command is used here, and okay, this surface stamp definition box is pop up, and all value is change here easily and clearly, and at first this angle is change 82 millimeter, and this height is change 8.2, and first radius is changed here 3.2, and this second radius is 4.2 is correct, and preview is showing here this is a okay. Okay, this is a correct, and at first select this face and use a position sketch, and okay. Okay, and drawing a center rectangle again, draw here. Okay, this is a perfect, and mention any dimension, this dimension and also this dimension is correct, and this dimension is a 160 is correct millimeter, and this width is 120 millimeter is correct, and this corner is also select here, and this is a 20 millimeter is correct. Okay, but this is a 110 millimeter is perfect, and also this is a 180 millimeter is correct. Okay, but 170 millimeter is better. Okay. Okay, all is looking perfect, and correct, so 120 is correct. Okay, better 175 is perfect. Okay. Okay, all is looking perfect, and this value is a corner is 20 millimeter, and all is looking correct, and exit, and use this surface stamp definition box is pop up. Okay, and angle is same 82 millimeter is correct, and this height is height 56 millimeter, and this first radius is 4.2, and this second radius is 6.4. 6.2 is correct, but this value is this height is 76 millimeter is also better. Okay, but this value is correct. Okay, but this value is 82 millimeter is better, and preview is showing here, and this is a 7.2 is better. Okay. Okay, this is a very look, and this plane is height because this body is looking perfect, and also boundary is created here, and use a teardrop command is used here, and this length is 2 millimeter, and also this radius is also 2 millimeter is correct, and one by one is all upper side boundary is select here, and this is a correct. Okay, all is perfect. Okay. Okay, and click OK. Okay, this is a perfect, and material is apply here. Then at first select this is a shading with material, then material is select here. Okay, and material is this metal is a steel is correct, and this steel is right click and going to property, and this reflectivity is very high, and use this material is correct. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. Okay, and also back side is a looking perfect, and this is a perfect body is drawing here because this is a angle, some angle is twist. Okay, because this angle is 82 millimeter is, this angle is 82 degree is twist here, and all is looking perfect. Okay, all is correct. Okay. Okay, guys, I hope you will learn all process is learn here easily and clearly, And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.